Hi learners, in this video I'm going to talk about what a business plan actually is and the importance of preparing a business plan as well as the benefits associated with the preparation of a business plan. A business plan is a written document which is prepared by the entrepreneur and which helps in describing all the relevant internal and external elements which are involved in starting up a new business venture. Like when we start up a business venture, the entrepreneur needs to ascertain the financial requirements of the business, the sources from where the funding requirements will be met. Further, after analysis of the financial aspects, the marketing aspects of the business also need to be considered, like what kind of products to be manufactured, which is the target market segment to be served, and which is the channel distribution strategies to be adopted. Then apart from that, the technical aspects of the business, like the kind of technology which is to be required to manufacture the goods or to render the services, that needs to be ascertained. Then and identifying the sources from where the required technology has to be procured, that also has to be analyzed. Then apart from that, the human resource requirements of an business starting up a business unit, that also needs to be ascertained. So basically all these important aspects which are associated with starting up a business enterprise needs to be paid due consideration by the entrepreneur before starting up a business unit, so that if there is any problem involved or complexities in any of these components, then in that case the entrepreneur can design predetermined plans, so that those plans can be adopted in order to overcome the problems. So therefore, developing a business plan will actually enable an entrepreneur to think through some of the important issues which may otherwise have not been would not be considered. So therefore, and apart from that, the business plan is also an important, valuable tool, as it helps an entrepreneur to raise money, which is required, or finance, which is required in order to start up the business. So basically, a business plan is a document which helps an entrepreneur to identify the crucial path or the crucial startup decisions. Apart from that, a business plan is called as an operational tools because it helps in identifying, because it actually helps in identifying the key problems one would encounter when the business operations are started, and also helps in developing strategic plans in order to overcome those problems. So, and a business plan also helps or guides the future growth and expansion of the business unit. So basically, a business plan is a document which is used for planning out specific details about a business. And also, the business plan helps in setting out a clear statement of the vision and mission associated with the business enterprise. Now, moving on to the importance or significance of preparing a business plan. Now, a business plan is actually a document which requires lots of rigorous and thoughtful thought provoking document, which requires an entrepreneur to engage in lots of thinking as to how to start up a business unit. So basically, a business plan is helps describes the venture that an entrepreneur will create in order to exploit a business opportunity. So basically, if you see the importance of business plan, firstly, a business plan is called as an action plan. Now, the reason why it is called as an action plan is because it actually helps in putting or puts into practice the preconceived business opportunity into practice. Like an entrepreneur, before they start up a business unit, they must have conceived the idea to start up a business unit from a long time. But thinking about the complexities in the business and the hardships which may be involved, and the problems which one may encounter in starting up a business unit, the entrepreneur may be backing out from the, or may not have the necessary courage to establish the business enterprise. But when a business plan is prepared by an entrepreneur, it helps the entrepreneur to think about the entire daunting process of starting up a business unit may seem less complicated. Now, this is because the overall problems are broken down into a sequence of smaller problems. Like instead of thinking of the entire problem of starting up a business on a large scale, the entrepreneur tries to examine the various problems on on terms of various components, like the HR components which is associated with the business plan. And so basically, when you are thinking of the HR components, you will analyze the HR requirements, the sources from where HR require, HR, that is the human resource requirements, can be met. Again, when the financial aspects of the business plan is being prepared, not only the entrepreneur considers the sources of finance, but also design strategies, thinking about alternative measures to be adopted in case the entrepreneur is not able to procure funds from the decided sources. So basically, a business plan can help an entrepreneur in solving the smaller problems, and thereby while solving the smaller problems, the larger problem or the daunting tasks of starting up a business unit may seem less complicated for the entrepreneur. Next, the business plan also acts as a roadmap. It is now basically a business plan acts as a roadmap because it helps in guiding the entrepreneur about the path to be tread or the directions to be taken in order to start up a business unit. And a business plan can also generally keeps the entrepreneur focused, because when one is preparing a business plan, one needs to identify the business goals. And when the business goals are clearly set, then the focus of the entrepreneur also remains steady. And business plan can also serve to help others to understand the vision and mission of the business enterprise. And the others include people like the suppliers, customers, the financiers who are going to supply the necessary funds to the business. So all of them will also get a clear picture about what the business enterprise actually intends to start up with. Next, a business plan also acts as a sales tool. Now, you see, no business can be started only with self funding if the business is to be started on a medium or a large scale. So, generally, this sources of funds has to be met by various investors. And before the business is actually into existence, it becomes very difficult to convince the investors to contribute funds. So, when an entrepreneur prepares a business plan, it helps the entrepreneur to convince the investors to providing the necessary funds. And moreover, a well-written business plan may serve to sell, may serve to, inform the investors about the relevant activities the business enterprise wants to undertake, and also helps in ascertaining the profitability of the business unit. So apart from that, a business plan also helps in identifying the or researching the external environment for various opportunities and threats. Like when you are ascertaining the marketing aspects of a business plan, the entrepreneur will prepare a marketing plan regarding the product strategies, the pricing strategies to be adopted, the promotional tools to be adopted. But apart from that, the business entrepreneur will also give due consideration to the various external factors in the marketing environment which affects the growth of the business, like changes in the demographic environment, changes in the economic situation of the country, how all these impacts the marketing of the product. All this can be ascertained by the entrepreneur. Then further, like we said, like I've just mentioned, that a business plan helps in identifying the strengths as well as the weaknesses of an entrepreneur, so that once the weaknesses of setting up a business enterprise are identified, the business or the entrepreneur can also design strategic plans in order to overcome those weaknesses. Further, a business plan also helps in identifying the feasibility of the idea, whether the idea is profitable or not, and also helps in allocating the various resources, that is men, machines, materials, and money, in the best possible manner. Now, basically, the various benefits of a business plan can be summed up in the following points, which I've just mentioned on the slide. So, a business plan helps in establishing the goals of the business. It helps in managing the risk and uncertainty which is associated with the business by designing appropriate, strategic plans, and also helps in allocating the resources in the most optimum manner so that the goals of the organization can be achieved. So basically, apart from this, the various other benefits of a business plan is that firstly, the business plan helps in getting finance for the proposed venture. Now, generally, when we start up a business enterprise, external sources of financing is required, which could be finance from the investors or obtaining finance from the shareholders. So, when the business plan is prepared, it helps in communicating to the investors the goals of the business, the action plan, or the way in which the business intends to carry out its activities. and therefore the preparation of a business plan helps in gaining the confidence of the investors. And only when the investors are confident about a business venture will they contribute funds for financing the project. The business plan also helps in making decisions regarding the products to be manufactured, the production schedules to be adopted, the kind of markets to be served, the kinds of pricing decisions to be taken. Then basically by identifying the individual components of the business, that is the HR aspects of the business plan, the marketing aspects of a business plan, the technical aspects of a business plan, on the financial aspects of a business plan. By individually analyzing all these components, it helps the entrepreneur to get a clear picture about starting up the entire business. And business plan, since it clearly sets out the goals which the business wants to achieve, therefore it helps in gaining or it helps in building strategic focus of the entrepreneur. Apart from that, a business plan also helps in managing change. See, when a business is carried out, it is prone to changes. There may be changes in the economic situation of the country. There may be changes in the demographic situation, in the natural environment of the country. There may be political risks associated with starting up a business enterprise in a particular country. So all these risks can be associated in advance, or can be analyzed in advance, and appropriate strategies to overcome the perceived risk can also be designed. So therefore, business plan also helps in managing change. Further, in the business plan, since the goals are clearly set, therefore any deviations from the goals helps in developing the necessary accountability, or helps in identifying the appropriate measures to be taken in order to overcome the deviations from the set standards. Then, in a business plan, the financial requirements are ascertained. But apart from ascertaining the financial requirements, a fund flow statement is prepared to ascertain the sources as well as the uses of funds. So, a business plan helps in managing the cash or the financial aspects of a business in a better way. Further, a business plan also helps in strategic alignment. So, strategic alignment basically here means identifying whether the day-to-day activities of the business are helps in achieving the broader goals which the business wants to achieve in the long run. And apart from that, helps since a business plan also helps in achieving the milestones. So, a good business planning sets the milestones one has to work towards with, and these are the goals which helps in defining the actual business activities which are to be undertaken in order to achieve those goals. So basically, if you see, a business plan sets out a whole lot of benefits once it is prepared. But in spite of this, many entrepreneurs argue that it is not of great importance. The basic reason being that the business environment changes very rapidly, so they feel that by the time the business plan is prepared, the many aspects of the business plan are prone to changes, and it prone to changes. So that is one aspect which is argued by many entrepreneurs. But seeing the overall benefits and the importance of a business plan, it cannot be denied that it is of great essential and of great importance that an entrepreneur prepares a business plan.